Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell.
So this is what I am using for this quick DIY. If you're wanting to try this or not, but I use Spanish moth for the base part, so you won't see paper that basically I use paper to cover it up at the base part, and then these are the ornaments that I'm using in any other ornaments or items that you want to put onto the tree, Halloween tree. Then you can do that. Then there's some garlands that I spray painted and made it black by using spray paint or some black chalk paint, whatever you want to do. But that's basically what I just did. So something quick, simple, and easy to do. And I basically show you everything how I got it done. And also what I'm going to need is some cotton mop, which are this part, these. So you're going to be needing these, as you can see. So that is basically what you're going to be needing. So it more so will just look like this instead of black stuff on it. But yeah, that is basically everything that I used. Spanish moth, Halloween ornaments, cotton mop, the end part of it, which is these, like I said, which is that right there. Cover my hands and painted, spray painting, some stuff. But then that as well, some garland that, like I said, spray paint or painted, which is why my hands are black. But yeah, so that's basically all that you will be needing. This and this finger you need. You're also going to be needing a mop, and it is basically at the end of the mop. It look like this when you get all of the mops out of it. Right now I have another mop, as you see, hooked onto a bin. But after you're done with taking all the mops, the cotton off the mop part of the end of it, it'll look just flat like that. And this is basically what you'll be needing. Then when you get done with that, make sure you save your cotton mop bag so you can stuff all of the rest of the cotton pieces that you have took off of the end of the mop that I just showed you, the mop stand. Take all those off, and then you'll have this left over, and you'll just stuff it all back in here, as you can see. And then that is about it. So yeah. Okay, so this is what I got done so far, and it's just, this is an actual mop broom. So it looks like, so I've kind of made it until it looks like a witch broom, as you can see. And then the layer parts, I had put some cobwebs so it can kind of cover up some of that gaps and stuff like that. But that's basically about it. And with this, I'm gonna have a little bit of black on it. So yeah, that is basically about it. And I'm gonna come back when I get, or you'll see me putting the be putting these on. So these are just some pines. So let me get it out the bag so I can show you. I was trying to figure it out. So this is the garland that I got. Probably not gonna use all of it, but yeah, this is the garland I got, and I got it for $1.99. It's like $2. But it says 15 feet, so I really like this. I'm super excited to use this. So yeah, and I am also going to be putting this on here, and then I'm gonna be spray painting this as well. So super excited about that. Can't wait. And I'm gonna show you the whole process of me getting this. Basically me making my own Halloween tree together. So super excited. A little quick DIY that I decided to do because yeah, I was not trying to buy one. So yeah, that is it. So I'm just come back when I'm doing a little bit putting this garland onto the mop pole. So yeah, what I got so far, this way it looks. So I'm going to add this mop ropes, these from the actual mop cottons. I am going to be adding this onto here, onto this little layer, well, right here. So I'll come back with that, guys. Okay. So basically guys, sorry. So this is basically what I'm gonna do. Just tie it around here, which it goes like this. Let me get it. So how it looks right there. Basically gonna tie this on here. So as you can see how it's tied. So with that, and then I'm all good to go. And then it'll look like this. So now, since it's tied, all I'm doing is gonna do is just, as you like fluff trees out, I'm just gonna like fluff this out to different crazy directions. Make it full, make it not full, however I am feeling. And basically, yeah. And now I'm gonna be adding some Spanish moss I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be adding it to this part right here. And then I'm gonna be spray painting this whole entire thing. I'll come back after I get it all done. Here we go. Guys, so this is the end of me doing the whole spray paint and all that type of stuff. I didn't have enough spray paint, so some of this I just got some black chalk paint and just went through it that way. So yeah, that's basically what I did. So yeah, that was that, and I really like it, and I'm gonna do more. I'll do come back when I finish decorating the whole entire thing. And yeah, so let's get into it.
This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, deuces, Voluches.